Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Glum. Glum. When someone is glum, they are sad and quiet. Gloomy and morose. Looking dejected or disappointed. Seeming depressed, or, in other words, down in the dumps. The adjective glum can also be used to describe a place. A glum place is one that is drab and unattractive. A place that is sad and not fun to be in, such as a glum little hotel room. As an adverb, glum becomes glumly. Examples of how to use glum in a sentence. Don't look so glum. We're still going. The trip is just postponed for one day. Why do you look so glum today? He's been glum ever since he found out his parents were getting a divorce. He could tell by their glum faces that they didn't have good news to tell him about his father. The two sat glumly on a bench, pointedly ignoring one another.